Just when everyone thought the DJI Neo 2 would quietly drop with a predictable price tag, DJI decided to shake things up. Not only is the official unveiling happening this week, according to trusted leaker Bill, but here's the real surprise. The price is climbing higher than anyone expected. The DJI Neo 2 comes in 3 bundle options, each offering different levels of value and accessories. The Fly Solo bundle is priced at $259 in US, £229 in UK, and €239 in Europe, and includes the drone along with one intelligent flight battery. For those seeking more flight time and accessories, the Fly More combo is available for $429 in US, £399 in UK, and €349 in Europe, which adds 3 batteries, the Motion 3 controller, and the goggles N3 adapter. Finally, the top-tier Motion Fly More combo is priced at $599 in US, £579 in UK, and €559 in Europe, featuring the same 3 batteries, Motion 3 controller, and goggles N3 adapter, but with an enhanced motion setup for a more immersive flight experience. But why the price bump? Simple. Major upgrades. The Neo 2 gets a 2-axis gimbal, up from the single-axis setup on the original Neo, offering noticeably smoother and more stable footage. It also introduces omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a premium feature previously reserved for DJI's higher-end drones. Compact, smart, and beginner-friendly, the Neo 2 is built for vloggers, travelers, and casual flyers who want cinematic shots without lugging around bulky gear. If the leaks hold true, the Neo 2 isn't just an incremental update, it's a statement. DJI is proving that innovation doesn't have to come with a sky-high price tag. So, mark your calendars. October 30th for the reveal, November 13th for the global launch. The Neo 2 might just redefine what a budget drone can really do. The Neo 2 features a sleek, matte gray body with an integrated propeller guard design, surrounding its 4 rotors in a symmetrical, lightweight frame. This protective setup hints at DJI's focus on durability and indoor flight safety. At the center, the DJI logo is clearly printed, and just above it sits a power button with 4 LED indicators, likely used for battery level display. A small sensor is visible on the underside, supporting Jasper Ellen's comment about dual sensors placed on both the top and bottom. The top section seems to house the primary camera and battery unit, providing a clean, aerodynamic layout. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 looks like a versatile and well-balanced drone, engineered for stable flights in tight spaces, offering safety-focused innovation while maintaining DJI's signature, premium build, and minimalist aesthetic. Here's a comparison of the specs between the DJI Neo and the upcoming Neo 2, based on current leaks. Sensor camera. The DJI Neo features a half-inch sensor capturing 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, with a 14mm f2.8 lens. The rumored Neo 2 upgrades to a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, offering better low-light performance, 4K at 60 frames per second, and potential 10-bit HDR video support. Battery and flight time. The DJI Neo features a 1,435 mAh battery, offering around 18 minutes of flight. The leaked Neo 2 reportedly upgrades to a 1,606 mAh pack, about 12% larger, delivering an extended flight time of approximately 20 to 25 minutes under optimal flying conditions. Size, weight, portability. The DJI Neo weighs around 135 grams with dimensions of 130 by 157 by 48.5 millimeters. The upcoming Neo 2 is rumored to stay under 250 grams, maintaining a compact form while introducing an improved propeller guard design for enhanced safety and durability. Other notable features and safety. The DJI Neo includes built-in propeller guards, downward sensors, and stabilization through EIS and a mechanical gimbal. The rumored Neo 2 enhances this with dual-layer guards, improved hybrid stabilization, stronger wind resistance, and upgraded transmission range for more stable, reliable flight performance. In short, the Neo 2 appears to offer incremental but meaningful upgrades over the original Neo, notably in the sensor, video capability, 4K at 60 frames per second, slightly longer flight time, and enhanced safety features, while preserving the ultralight, compact footprint that made the Neo appealing. Ellen pointed out what many missed. Some say the DJI Neo 2 will feature a 1/1.3-inch sensor, but take a closer look at its arms. On the right, there appears to be a LiDAR sender and receiver, while the left side seems to house a small display that could show follow me modes. What's your take? If true, this would make the Neo 2 the smartest mini DJI has ever built. And DJI isn't just banking on looks. The Neo 2 is said to be fully compatible with DJI goggles N3, a huge leap for immersive FPV flying. For existing DJI users, this means the chance to grab a cheaper combo version without repurchasing accessories. Even older Neo drones can still sync via smartphone, keeping the experience connected and shareable. Let's start with the bad news. The new improved battery comes at twice the price. This might be the last drone to get FCC certification under the current administration, making it not just a release, but a turning point for DJI's future. Let's talk about other specs. The DJI Neo 2 just got a massive twist, and it's not just another firmware upgrade. This time, DJI is introducing something entirely new, a detachable external transceiver module. Yep, the Neo 2 features a sleek plug-in design that connects via USB-C on the back of the drone, allowing it to unlock powerful new capabilities. This external module is far more than just an add-on. It's a game changer for the DJI Neo 2. By enabling OcuSync support, likely OcuSync 4, it gives the drone a huge leap in connectivity and performance. Expect longer range, reduced latency, and a rock-solid video transmission compared to the standard built-in Wi-Fi. With this powerful upgrade, pilots can now pair the Neo 2 with DJI goggles N3, motion controllers, and professional-grade remotes, unlocking an immersive and responsive flight experience. It's a bold step that turns the compact Neo 2 into a serious contender for both hobbyists and pros. It's also a smart move from DJI. Instead of locking users into expensive hardware tiers, the modular design lets pilots upgrade their gear without replacing the whole drone. It's flexible, future-proof, and surprisingly budget-friendly. For under $250, DJI is bringing pro-level features like gesture and voice control, upgraded flight time, and direct charging to the ultra-lightweight drone category. If you love affordable, travel-friendly drones, this might just be your next must-have gadget. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below with your first impressions. I'd love to hear what you think about this sleek new DJI release. Now, let's break it down. The DJI Neo 2 is designed for solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners who want smooth, cinematic shots without lugging around heavy gear. The design keeps its ultra-portable identity, weighing in at just 135 grams, lighter than most smartphones. Yet it looks and feels far more capable than its predecessor. According to early leaks and images shared by Igor Bogdanov, the Neo 2 maintains a familiar look, but with noticeable refinements. One of the biggest visual upgrades is the addition of new omnidirectional sensors, now visible on both the front and rear sides. These sensors enhance obstacle detection and stability, giving users a safer, smarter flying experience. The most noticeable visual upgrade on the DJI Neo 2 is the addition of new omnidirectional sensors on the front. This marks a major improvement over the first Neo's limited obstacle detection system. The updated setup provides greater environmental awareness, helping the drone navigate tight spaces and avoid collisions even in complex flight paths. The wait is finally over. The DJI Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. According to the latest insider reports, DJI has officially begun mass production, signaling that the next generation handheld camera could launch within the next 2 to 3 months. Even more exciting, a prototype image of the Pocket 4 chassis has surfaced, giving us our first real look at what's coming, and it's sparking major buzz across the tech community. The leaked photo shows the Pocket 4 side by side with the Pocket 3, revealing both familiar design elements and intriguing new features. While the compact ergonomic body remains similar, DJI seems to have refined the texture and overall build, making it feel even more premium in hand. But the biggest mystery lies in the 2 new buttons spotted on the chassis, a first for the Pocket series. Their exact purpose hasn't been confirmed, but early speculation points to custom functions or improved zoom controls, addressing one of the Pocket 3's biggest weaknesses. Interestingly, these same extra buttons were previously glimpsed during a Barcelona promotional shoot, and now that the prototype confirms them, Excitement is at an all-time high. Despite the new additions, DJI appears to be sticking with the 2-inch rotatable display, as the cutout and connector placement remain identical to the Pocket 3. This means fans can expect the same intuitive shooting experience, now likely enhanced with better ergonomics and smarter controls. With mass production already underway, the DJI Pocket 4 launch seems imminent. All signs point to a major reveal before year's end, and if these leaks are any indication, DJI's most portable camera is about to get its most powerful upgrade yet. The Pocket 3 earned global praise for its smooth 4K recording and portability, becoming especially popular in Japan's thriving creator community. The leaked image provides a remarkably detailed look at the Pocket 4 prototype. Subtle design refinements, including a slightly altered button layout, suggest DJI is focused on both usability and comfort. The button layout under the display has changed slightly in the new model. On the Pocket 3, this area only displayed the Osmo logo, which had no functional purpose. However, in the Pocket 4, DJI has replaced the logo with 2 additional physical buttons. These buttons are believed to be linked to the rumored dual camera setup, potentially allowing users to switch between main and secondary cameras, toggle focal lengths, or activate a split screen or dual view mode. Positioned for convenient thumb access, the new buttons reflect DJI's focus on giving creators faster, more intuitive control during filming, reducing reliance on touchscreen menus. Further digging reveals no official DJI link to the studio, hinting that it may belong to a freelance photographer or small production crew, a strategy DJI has used before for early promotional material.